Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. In today's video, I will be installing my new LED lights for my whole entire room. I was watching All American, but I put it on pause because I really wanted to do this video. And also, look at my beautiful flowers. My fiance got me these flowers today. He surprised me. I had to go out and buy this vase. It says live, laugh, love. These flowers are life. My fiance is the best. He surprised me and was like, go get your flowers, please, from the store. So when I got there, it had a little card right here. I guess I can let you guys see my little card inside because I absolutely love when he gives me flowers. It says, thank you for being my woman. I appreciate you always being there for me. Y'all need to get y'all a husband. So back to what I was saying. I was meaning to install my LED lights earlier today. I was doing a lot of ripping and running, so it didn't get done. These are the LEDs. The brand is Nexillumi. 50-foot LED strips. We just moved a little over 2 weeks ago, and I had LED lights in my other room. The LEDs I had to take down and it kind of peeled the paint off the walls. I only had half of my room covered at the other house, and this time I wanted my whole entire room covered because sometimes I sleep with the TV on at night or I have some lights on the floor that you can't see. If you guys want to watch that video instead of me explaining it, I'll just leave a link. I always say I'm gonna leave a link, but I really never do. Anyways, but if you want to watch that video, I promise I'm gonna leave you guys a link to watch that video. I set y'all up in the window on the little chase robot thing. I hope the police don't come here because in the process of trying to put the phone onto the little tripod thing, it accidentally called like the SOS thing, and I heard it like sounded like a police siren on my phone, so I had to hurry up and swipe it off. So hopefully the police do not come here. But then again, I moved, so they might go to the old house. I'm just so scared. This is the charger cord. You get 2 rows of lights, 25 feet each. Instructions and whatnot, just telling you what surfaces you can put the lights on and everything like that. The remote control. If y'all hear cars, I apologize. My room is facing towards a busy street. This is the remote. This is it's like another remote control. It has a power button, microphone, I guess, to brighten the lights. And this is to change the lights. I gotta kind of figure out where I want to start because it's all about placement. I have an outlet right here, an outlet right there, and an outlet on this side. So I was thinking I should start the lights over by my door. If I put the lights over there, I just don't want the cords hanging in a random spot. I think I might start the lights from this side, and maybe I can set you guys up on the bed so y'all can see.
Don't change the subject, don't you take the focus off you. Do you love me? Look in my eyes, bullshit aside, don't waste my time too. Do you know? Oh, I lost you, but at least I tried to do right by you. I fastened the news, you had to show me what this really was. Enjoy the rest of your life, I'll catch you on the flip side.
That took everything in me to put these lights up. My arms got tired halfway in. The spot right there that you guys see is not covered, and that is about 5, maybe 5 feet, I want to say. So I might purchase some more lights if it kind of brings out the OCD in me. We're gonna see what these lights is talking about. So give me a second. Let me set y'all right here. Okay. Let me open this remote. It looks so pretty. Okay. What these lights talking about? Okay. Just play around with the colors. Yeah, I need to get some lights up there. Oh my God. That's gonna bring out the OCD in me, I promise you. Well, this is actually, this, oh, snaps. This is red. Dang, it got dark green. There we go. Let's set the whole mood blue. Well, y'all can't really see me. Talk about that. That is going to be it for this video. This was just me installing the lights. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. Share this video with anyone and everyone you know. Tell them to subscribe to It's Keys TV on YouTube. And I will check you guys out in my next video. Peace.